everybody, it's Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery and author of Diamonds in the Sky. And today I want to pose a question to you. Why not you? Anytime somebody goes out to achieve something, whether it's a new accolade or a degree or an achievement or starting a business or pursuing some other career or a competitive sports event or whatever it is, or writing a book, starting a YouTube channel, there's sometimes this block that people have when they look at other people out there that have achieved things like that, and they're like, yeah, but that person's special. They're different than me, or they had different connections or different advantages. Who am I to talk about this topic or make this course or pursue this goal or whatever it is? Why not you? Like, every single person that you see, whether it's Beyonce Knowles or Oprah Winfrey or anybody, insert any actor, athlete, influencer, business owner, whatever. They're all just human beings, just like you. They're just like you. They have, one of my favorite Dr. Seuss quotes is, you've got brains in your head, you've got feet in your shoes, you can steer yourself any direction you choose. What a G that guy was. I need to really look up some more Dr. Seuss stuff. But you're the same. You are. Everybody, you could say that anybody has a different advantage over you, and that's going to be true, but there are skills and things that you have and experiences that you have that make you have certain advantages. So when you're going out there to do that thing, just remember, you have everything you need. Why not you? Everybody that's like this huge big deal now was just like you at one point. They didn't have everything figured out. They didn't have 1 million followers on Instagram. They didn't have 1 million subscribers, right? They didn't make $1 million yet. Nobody knew their name. Nobody had read their book, heard their message. So yes, it's intimidating to get started when you feel like a nobody, but everybody starts there. So just remember that today as you go throughout your day, or as you really start dreaming about your goals. Dream bigger. Why not you? The possibility of you being a millionaire or being famous or influencing 1 million people with something that you write or a video that you create or whatever it is, or a course that you make, that's out there. And doesn't that feel awesome to have that much of an impact? So why not you? Why not reach for the stars? There's really no difference between you and all those top achievers. They just did it and didn't make excuses, and they didn't sell themselves short. So that's my message for you guys today. As always, subscribe to my YouTube channel here. You can hit the bell so you can get a notification every time I pump out a new video. You can follow me on Instagram at Roof Sales Mastery or at Becca_Switzer. And I would love to follow up with you guys and hear from you. So drop a comment and let me know what you're thinking here today. Love you guys. Keep it crunchy. Talk to you soon. Bye.